veggies bright that grow in the garden morning till night. Brown red tomatoes kissed by the sun, pop in your mouth, they're eating such fun. Long orange carrots, a crunchy delight, good for your eyesight, shining so bright. Green little peas in a cozy green row, open the pod, watch the tiny ones go. Broccoli looks like a miniature tree, eat up the florets, 1, 2, and 3. Spinach, so leafy, a powerful green, makes you feel strong, the best ever seen. Spinach, so leafy, a powerful green, makes you feel strong, the best ever seen. Purpley cabbage, all layered and round, the crunchiest veggie can always be found. Yellow sweet corn, all kernels in line, buttery and tasty, oh so divine. Cucumbers are cool, so crisp and so mild, sliced in a salad for every good child. Potatoes grow under, all bumpy and brown, mashed or in fries, all over the town. Peppers so colorful, yellow and red, a sweet little crunch right inside your head. Onions might make you have a small cry, but they add yummy flavor way up to the sky. So eat all your veggies, don't leave any plates, they'll help you grow taller, it's never too late. From roots to the leaves and all in between, vegetables are healthy, the best